Hey Muffin, I heard about something called cell respiration today. Is that some sort of magic?
No, Witch Zelda. It's all science. Here, read this magic book and you'll understand everything.
Aha! I get it. It all makes sense. We should go teach everyone else.
Glycolysis. The first stage of cell respiration is glycolysis. First, a 6-carbon molecule of glucose enters the cytoplasm of the cell. 2 phosphates from 2 ATPs are added to the ends of the molecule.
Next, the 6-carbon glucose is split into 2 3-carbon sugar phosphates.
Yeah. Oxidation occurs, and 3 carbon sugars become 3 carbon pyruvates.
Then, each pyruvate loses a carbon, forming an acetyl group with coenzyme A.
Vroom. Oh, that's where the name acetyl-CoA comes from.
Don't interrupt me. Anyway, these processes result in a net yield of 2 NADH, 2 ATP, and 2 CO2.
Can I talk now?
Go on.
So, next comes the Krebs cycle. We have now moved from glycolysis, which occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell, to the Krebs cycle, which happens in the matrix of the mitochondria. First, the acetyl-CoA enters the mitochondria and drops off the 2-carbon molecule.
Next, the 2-carbon acetyl group attaches to the 4-carbon molecule oxaloacetate to form a 6-carbon molecule of citrate.
Next, oxidation occurs 2 times. Witch Zelda, do your magic!
Now we have a 4-carbon molecule again. During this process, 2 NADH, 1 ATP, and 2 CO2 are produced.
Finally, at the end of the Krebs cycle, the 4-carbon molecule recycles into oxaloacetate, and 1 more NADH and 1 FADH2 are yielded.
So wait a minute. Now we have 3 NADH, 1 FADH2, and 1 ATP, while the 2 CO2 are released?
Exactly. I'm so glad you can count.
Huh. Onto the electron transport chain.
Now we are onto the electron transport chain. First, the NADH, FADH2, and the H+ goes into the intermembrane space of the mitochondria. These are electron carriers, and this is ATP synthase. The electrons from the NADH and FADH2 move across the inner mitochondrial membrane. The energy from the movement of the electrons allow the protons to move into the matrix, creating a proton gradient.
The protons move back into the inner mitochondrial membrane through the ATP synthase, powering the rotor to make ATP. The electrons flow to the terminal acceptor, oxygen, and become H2O. So, about how many ATP does it make then, Muffin?
I guess you can't count. This process uses about 32 to 34 ATPs.
So basically, cell respiration is a process of extracting energy from glucose in the form of ATP, right?
Yes, precisely. I'm really surprised you're getting all this. I didn't expect you to.
Why are you so cruel to me? Know what? I'm leaving.
Let's go. My name is Tonghe. Let's party tonight. 그대 마음에 불을 질러. 내가 원조 여자 킬러. 혼자 썼다 주웠다가 썼다 주웠다가 하게 확 부셔볼라. 밤에 잠 못 자게 미치도록 가만두지 않아. 나를 말릴 생각하지 마라. 그러다가 다친다. 아싸. 빌 받았어 밤새도록 달릴